Alright, we have the septic tank treatment formulated to deep clean. Same as the washing machine one. It cleans, deodorizes, refreshes, and protects. Effervescent powder comes with 10 packs of powder. Take out the package of cleaning enzyme, place it into the toilet, and press the flush button. The cleaning enzyme will flow into the septic tank with high water pressure. It is recommended to use at night and let it soak overnight in septic tanks, farm septic tanks, and similar systems. Repeat once a month for optimal results. And then when you open it up, has 10 of these powder packs. Give it a try.